Hi, folks. Jerusalem, and I pray everyone's doing well. I certainly do. All my brothers and sisters, all of you. Jojo, you are pumping the videos out, girl, and they are good. Awesome. And hi to everyone. Z, Penn Woodsman, Jean Doe, Jose, in Texas, M, Mystery, all of you. There's so many. Just want to say hi. But I also wanted to play a song. And just go ahead and take a look at Israel's sky. Look at the light here and that light over here. Just want to see what's going on, you know? I don't know, looks like the sun's coming up. But let me go ahead and play this song. I started listening to it, and I don't know, I thought of everyone and thought, well, if I'm going to make a video about absolutely nothing, I may as well come here where it's always something. And here we go.
There is a name I call upon. There is a name by which I am saved. Salvation is your name. Salvation is your There is a Lamb who bore our sins. He bled and died so we could live. Salvation is your
source of light up here. See that? In an object. Source of light, separate source of light. I'm going to another webcam that I can zoom in on. It's going to look completely different. But before I do that, look at this. You see that one? Look at that. I wonder if those are objects or lenses. See this coming up? So there's some stuff going on here for sure. I'm going to go to the other webcam real quick and see if I can wait till you see how different it's going to look. Okay, here's the other cam. Check that sky out. See him disappear? Two there and one there. Check that out. In mid-sky. Just hanging there. Look at that. Look at that. That is truly amazing. What is hanging there? It looks like two things, but something is just there in the sky. Over Israel there. It made a square here. See that? Corner of the square. See if we have any more of them. Oh man, we're on a panoramic camera too. Dang it.